You just bought a pistol hoping for tight groups at the range, only to watch your shots spray around the target like you're using a garden hose. But here's the dirty secret the gun industry doesn't want you to know. While they're pushing expensive custom work and aftermarket upgrades, some pistols shoot so accurately straight from the factory that they'll embarrass hand-built guns costing 2 times as much. Today, I'm exposing the 7 pistols that prove you don't need a gunsmith's magic touch to shoot like a sniper. I know what you're thinking. Which pistols actually deliver those bragging right tight groups without spending a fortune on modifications? How much do I really need to invest to stop being the guy whose target looks like abstract art? And will these work whether you're a weekend plinker or trying to dominate your local shooting league? Well, after digging through performance data, user reports, and real-world testing, I've uncovered some shocking truths. I'm talking about pistols that consistently outshoot your custom build, straight from the factory floor, with 0 modifications. Before we dive in, if you're tired of mediocre accuracy and ready to step up your game, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Here at Brass and Steel, we cut through the marketing BS to give you the real deal on what actually works, and you definitely don't want to miss what's coming. I'll give you exact MSRPs, fascinating historical backgrounds, real-world group sizes that will blow your mind, and the specific engineering features that make each one a precision instrument. We'll start with the most legendary accurate pistol ever created, cruise through some shocking sleepers that deliver premium performance at budget prices, and finish with an American-made competition destroyer that's rewriting the rules of factory accuracy. Let's kick this off with a pistol so accurate it was literally used by military snipers as their backup precision weapon. While most factory pistols throw shots around like they're playing pin the tail on the donkey, there's one design from 1947 that made the entire firearm industry say, how the hell did they do that? The Swiss don't just want a service pistol. They demanded a handgun that could compete with rifles for precision. Originally designed for the Swiss military in the late 1940s, the P210 earned a reputation as the most accurate service pistol ever created. American soldiers who encountered it couldn't believe a handgun could be this precise. Here's the crazy part: Swiss military marksmen actually carried these as designated precision sidearms because they outshot many rifles of the era. That's not marketing fluff. That's battlefield-proven performance. The Sig Sauer P210 target is the modern evolution of this legend. We're talking about a 5-inch match-grade barrel, a single-action trigger that breaks like spun glass, and slide-to-frame tolerances so tight you'd swear it was custom-built. Shooters routinely punch 1-inch groups at 25 yards with this beast. MSRP $1,500. Here's the kicker. Many owners report even better accuracy after the first 500 rounds as everything settles in. Whether you're punching paper or showing off at competitions, this delivers Swiss precision that'll make everyone else jealous. Now, here's where things get interesting. While everyone else chases lighter guns, one German company said screw that and made their competition pistol heavier. And it might just be the smartest move in modern firearms. Recoil is accuracy's worst enemy. A heavier gun means less muzzle jump, which means you can actually see your hits and get back on target faster. Walther's been perfecting firearms since the 1800s, and the Q5 match steel frame represents everything they've learned about precision shooting. The polygonal rifling in that 5-inch barrel creates a perfect gas seal, translating to higher velocity and tighter groups. What blows my mind is how this gun makes average shooters look like pros. The extra weight soaks up recoil. The 4-pound trigger is absolutely sublime. And the sight radius makes accurate shooting feel like cheating. The Walther Q5 match steel frame consistently delivers 1.5-inch groups with quality ammo. MSRP $1,700. It's the Porsche of striker-fired pistols, engineered for pure performance. This next pistol has been secretly dominating competitive shooting for years, but here's what most people don't know. It's also perfect for regular shooters who want to unlock their potential. The Czech Republic has been perfecting steel-framed handguns since the Cold War, and the Shadow 2 builds on the legendary CZ75 platform. The original CZ75 was so good it got copied by everyone, but CZ kept improving. Here's the secret sauce. That ultra-low bore access means less muzzle flip, which means you stay on target better. The 4.89-inch cold hammer forged barrel maintains accuracy even after thousands of rounds. The dual-action single-action trigger system gives you options for any situation. The CZ Shadow 2 delivers sub-2-inch groups right out of the box. MSRP $1,200. It's built like a tank and designed to make you better. If you've ever lusted after custom 1911s, but didn't want to mortgage your house, pay attention. Custom 1911s can cost $5,000 and take months to build. But what if you could get the same accuracy off the shelf? The Staccato P brings race gun accuracy to regular shooters. It's trusted by over 700 law enforcement agencies. That's real-world proof this thing works under pressure. Staccato took John Browning's masterpiece and dragged it into the 21st century. Double-stack capacity, modular frame system, and modern manufacturing that ensures consistency. The 4.4-inch bull barrel is machined to tolerances that would make a Swiss watchmaker weep. Every Staccato is hand-fitted and test-fired before leaving the factory. Expect 1.5-inch groups or tighter at 25 yards. MSRP starts at $2,200. It delivers custom gun performance without the custom gun headaches. Here's the curveball. This pistol doesn't look like a precision instrument, but it hides a secret that makes it incredibly accurate. German engineering doesn't compromise. While other companies cut corner, HK builds every gun like lives depend on it. The P30L is the longer, more accurate version of their duty pistol, and the LEM trigger is pure innovation. The 4.45-inch cold hammer forged barrel uses HK's proprietary process. The polygonal bore design increases velocity and accuracy while reducing fouling. The LEM system gives you the same smooth 5.5-pound pull every time. No safety to remember, just consistent performance. The HK P30L consistently delivers 2-inch groups all day long. MSRP $900. Built like a tank, shoots like a laser, and costs less than most competition guns. Number 6 comes from a company that's been making firearms since before America existed. Beretta's been perfecting their craft for over 500 years, and it shows. The Beretta 92X Performance takes the iconic 92 series and gives it the full competition treatment. This isn't your dad's service pistol. It's designed for modern shooters who demand accuracy and performance. The steel Vertec grip provides a modern grip angle. The extended 4.9-inch barrel increases sight radius and velocity. The skeletonized hammer reduces lock time for faster ignition. All these competition features remain user-friendly for recreational shooters. Users regularly achieve 1.5-inch groups with quality ammo. MSRP $1,400. Italian craftsmanship meets modern shooting needs. Last but not least, here's proof that you don't need to spend $2,000 for competition-level accuracy. There's an American-made pistol that delivers sub-2-inch groups for under $1,000. Smith & Wesson's Performance Center brought their custom gun expertise to a production price point. The MP9 competitor takes the reliable MP9 platform and transforms it into a precision instrument. The 5-inch barrel provides excellent sight radius. The flat-face trigger reduces perceived pull weight and improves finger placement. The optic-ready slide accepts popular red dots without adapters. Shooters consistently achieve 1.5 to 2-inch groups with no modifications needed. MSRP $999. Competition-ready accuracy that won't break the bank. Which one's for you? The most accurate pistol isn't necessarily the one that shoots the smallest groups on paper. It's the one that shoots consistently for you, fits your budget, and matches your intended use. Want the absolute tightest groups? The SIG P210 Target is legendary. For competition where speed matters, the CZ Shadow 2 or Staccato P are unbeatable. Need versatility for range and defense? The HK P30L delivers. Want maximum value? The S&W MP9 competitor gives you 90% of the performance at half the price. If you're new to precision shooting, start with either the HK P30L or S&W MP9 competitor. Both are forgiving and won't overwhelm you with features you're not ready for. So there you have it, 7 pistols that prove factory accuracy is absolutely real. And you don't need to be a professional shooter or spend a fortune on custom work to achieve incredible precision. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible with factory accuracy, smash that like button and let me know in the comments which of these pistols caught your attention. Are you leaning toward the legendary Swiss precision of the P210? Or are you more interested in the value proposition of the MP9 competitor? And if you haven't subscribed to Brass and Steel yet, you're missing out on the straight talk you need to make smart firearm decisions. We're constantly testing gear, breaking down techniques, and cutting through the marketing BS to give you the real deal. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Drop a comment and share your experiences with any of these pistols, or let me know what accuracy challenges you're facing with your current setup. The Brass and Steel community is always sharing valuable insights, and I personally read every comment. Thanks for hanging out with us today, stay safe out there, and remember, accuracy isn't about having the most expensive gun. It's about understanding what makes a pistol precise and putting in the practice time to unlock its potential. Now get out there and start shooting tighter groups. I'll see you in the next one.